Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this brand new Heli electric single reach truck, model number CQD18X1 GB2RLI. Now this reach truck has a base capacity of 4,000 pounds and it runs on a 48-volt battery. It has a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 210 inches. And as I mentioned, this is a single reach. Now this will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. And I want to mention that this mast has an integral side shift in it. Now looking at the tires, you can see there on the outriggers that those are poly tires. And I want to show you, as we come up to the top of that mast, that we have these ultra bright LED headlights as well. Now while we're working our way around, I want to show you this very convenient charging port right there. Super easy to open up and hook up to your charger. Now as we work our way around to the back, I want to show you this overhead guard because first off you'll see that yellow strobe up on top, but I also want to show you that that overhead guard has slats that are perfectly angled for driver visibility. Now I'm going to step inside here and I want to show you that on the floor are 2 operator sensor switches. There's kind of a comfortable, I would say that's almost a seat. And as I get up here into the truck, I want to show you what it looks like for the driver. So of course we have our steering wheel here. We have a cup holder. We have a nice area for any paperwork or pens or anything like that. We have this LCD display, and if I can get it angled right, you'll be able to see that as I move my wheels, you can see that the direction there changes as well. And as I come around, you can see that I have this charging port here, and this of course is my joystick that has my forward, my back, my up, my down, my out, my in, as well as a horn and the side shift. And over here, this is where we have our switch for our headlights. And this is a super cool function, which is an automatic recentering function, so that if the wheel is turned here, and then I press on these 2, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see all this, but you might be able to see it automatically moves those back. And we have our emergency power off. And of course here, this is a fully adjustable armrest that can come up and down, and it also has a tilt as well that I can change the angle of that. Another great feature of this reach truck is that it has an electronic lift buffer and a hydraulic lower buffer to keep your movement of your mast very smooth. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.